There's a puzzle in which we have to find the fastest three horses from the 25 horses, and we have to find the minimum number of races which are required in finding these horses. So only we have only five horses at a time. Like in the race one, only five horses are can be chosen, and in the next one, the next five, next five, next five. Total 25 horses can be divided into five groups. Okay. So no proper timer is there, and you have to find the minimum number of races. So for solving this question, we have some elimination method of solving these type of question. So at the starting, we know that at the race one, when I talk about the race one, I guess I've changed my. At the race one, I can able to do that for these five horses. I will simply, I will simply deduct these two horses because I have to find the fastest three horses. So I will remove these fourth and fifth horses. Suppose these are my top three horses in the first race. So I can say that okay, in the first run, you have eliminated two horses, and out of 25 horses, 23 horses are left. In the second race, which is this race, here also I will eliminate this one and this one. After elimination, I know that first, second, third, these are the horses which are first, second, third position from the for the second race. So I have eliminated two horses here, and rest 21 horses are left. In the third horses itself, I will do the same thing. So as you can see that in the rest of horses, I have eliminated the last two horses and get these one. For third race, two eliminated and 19 are left. Similarly, in the fourth race, two are eliminated and 17 horses are left. Similarly, in the fifth race, two are eliminated and 15 horses are left. So out of 25, 15 horses are left, and five races are done. Just with the help of these things, with the help of these five races, I can able to get that okay, these are the horses which are not in use, like they may be fourth or fifth in their position, but I have to find the third top three horses. That's why I have eliminated from the each race. Now, after this fifth race, I will suddenly choose my these one, like these set. From this set, as you can see, at first, second, third, fourth, fifth, these are useless. Fourth, fifth position, and I don't want fourth, fifth, as question mentioned. So just deduct these horses and these, which are the first one from this set or this set. So these one also useless. We can able to deduct this. So let's see, in the sixth race, I have eliminated six horses, and out of 15, only 9 horses are left. Okay. After doing this, as you can see that if this is first, second, third, okay, and if I move forward and see that first, second, third, these are the fourth, fifth. These horses are at the fourth or fifth position. So pretty much sure that we can remove them also. As you can see that I have eliminated two more, and only seven horses are left right now. After finding this, I will move forward and see that if this is my first horse, second horse, third horse, this is the fourth horse. From each and every location, I'm getting its location as at first, fourth. And as you can see that we have to find only the first three horses. That's why we can able to just eliminate this horse also. So I have eliminated one more horses, and I get only six horses right now. Now, from each and every location, I can able to say that this is my first this is my first one horse. I can say that first position horses, and just I make sure that I will make it as separate. And after this, only five horses are left, like this, one, two, three, four, five. These five horses. As we can say that in the question, there is a given that only five horses can run at a time. So at last, we can make sure that these five horses can run at a time, and we can able to find the top two horses from these one. Okay. So at the last, at last, at the seventh race, these five horses will run, and from that I will eliminate three and find top two. That top two, and that this one, and from these five horses, the top two will be my top three horses which are required by the question. So at last, only five horses are left, and at the seventh race, the total minimum race are required will be seven. So in the seventh race, I will get my two horses, top two horses, which are second and third, and from all the horses from the all the races, I can able to say that this horse will give me the first position, this horse at the first position, and at the last, which is the seventh race, I'll get my two horses, two top horses, which are the first and the second.